Hey y'all, it's your girl Nita. Now I'm back with another one. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I installed this braided wig that I got from Love Me Hair. So we're gonna jump right into it, y'all. So I already my hair braided. I put oil on my scalp and I put the Got to Be spray. Now I'm going to cut the excess cap off. This is gonna be a talk through video. I don't got nothing to talk about. I'm just gonna like talk about my life and shit. So life update. So I'm single, y'all. I know y'all probably seen my video and I had a certain little somebody in there. It was like, I think it was my first vlog, and I did we did the hot wings challenge, the Buffalo Wild Wings. We did what did he do? He did my voiceover and stuff. And yeah, we was together for since last year, 2019. We got together in what? March? And we broke up in April. So we really was together for a year and like a couple weeks. But y'all know how y'all feel something about to come to an end, but you don't really want it to, so you just try your best to like make shit work, but it just don't. That's how it was. So like, I really tried to make shit work with him because one thing about me, I do not like starting over. Like, I don't like meeting new people, especially like boys and stuff. Like, I don't. So I really was trying to like just forgive him and shit for the shit that he did to me. But it's like something about me, once you do me wrong, even if I say I forgive you, or even if we get like we still like together, this go for relationships, friends, everything. If I say I forgive you and we like move past it, I'm not really gonna move past it. Like, I really don't forgive you, like, because how could you, bitch? Like, how could you? You know what I'm saying? And it's just like I hold grudges and I try not to, but it's just hard. Like, it's hard not to hold a grudge with somebody after they did the same thing to you. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, but hella times. It's like, at this point, like, it's no, like, I just can't, like, because once you do something one time and you see what the consequence is, and then you do it again, at that point you don't give a fuck about the consequence. You don't give a fuck about how it makes me feel. You just give a fuck about doing what you want to do. So that's what it was. Like, he just want to do what he want to do, and he don't really know what he want. And my thing is, if that's what you want to do and you know that's what you want to do, that's fine. Like, I'm not gonna be mad at you if you tell me, if you just tell me like I don't want to be in a relationship. Like, you feel me? I wouldn't be mad. But the fact that you lie and you try to keep me around because you know you really want me. You know you really want to be with me, but you still want to do what you want to do on the side. Like, no, I'm not. No. But if we like really in a bona fide relationship, bitch, you can't just be walking around acting like you just single. Like, you can't just be walking around giving your number out. You can't be trying to fuck on every new coworker that come in your job. Like, you can't be trying to do that if we together. And then you already done did it, I let you slide. You do it again, I let you slide. Then you, at this point, no, you play me for a fool. He in that he in that stage where it's like he don't give a fuck. Like he ain't thinking about what he gonna do in the future. Like he just living to live. And me, I'm in a stage where I'm trying to like set a foundation for the future. And if you ain't on the same page as me, and if you moving how you moving, and you just, it's like it's not going to work, because we ain't trying to do the same shit. You trying to do something else, and I'm trying to do something else, and it ain't the same thing. So this is the wig that I'm about to put on. It's a braided wig, y'all. I'm really scared because I tried to bleach the knots twice. It didn't bleach. So at this point, I'm scared that it's going to look like a wig, but I'm just going to put it on anyway, because I really want some braids. I don't feel like doing them. So this look cute, y'all. I like this little wig. Put my LA Girl Pro Face powder on my lace, because this lace look dark, y'all. Like this lace is dark, and I'm lighter. Like look at me and look at this lace. Not the same color. They need to make these wigs with transparent lace, yo. Like, I know it's affordable, so that's probably why it's not with transparent lace, but they really need to get on the wave with the transparent lace, yo, because like that's what people really need though. Like, cause when you darker, like if you a dark skin, you can put whatever you need to put on it, foundation, tint, whatever, to make it your skin tone. And if you light, you could put whatever you need to put on there to make it your skin tone. But if you get this dark ass lace, if you light, it ain't nothing you can do besides just try to finesse it as much as you can, but most likely it's still gonna be dark. Love me hair, get some transparent lace. For real. I ain't playing with y'all. Whoo, child. And why is it raining? I can't even get no pictures outside. So back to my life story. So I'm gonna do it. That's a whole nother video about my relationship, because that was like toxic. Like when I say toxic, I mean toxic, like abusive, like mental. Not, it was physical too, but it wasn't. See, when I say physical, when people say physical abuse, I think they saying like they really getting like black eyes, like. But like it wasn't like he was abusing me, because I would fight his ass back. So I wasn't getting abused, but I was the one like I was the one that'd get mad and like hit him and shit. So it was just not healthy, like at all. I'm gonna do a whole nother story time about that. But girl, that shit was crazy. I'm gonna cut the lace right here. Cut it right here. So I got 3 sections. I think I want to use some gel instead of the spray. I'm gonna use the gel because I want this to like really lay flat. I'm gonna do the middle first. Now I'm gonna pull it down onto the gel like this. So I'm back, y'all. Now the lace is laid down. I'm ready to use this eyebrow razor. and I'm going to cut it off. Whew, it's getting hot. The wig is looking actually cute. Like, I know the front is gonna look wiggy because it's a wig, but y'all, it's coming along cute. Let me cut this baby hairs because they long. They too long. Alright, y'all, so I cut the baby hairs down. Now I'm about to get some mousse. Let me get my baby hair brush. I look cute. I never did a braided wig, y'all, so I don't know how this is about to look, but I'm gonna try finesse it as much as I can. One right here, one right here, one right there. Boom. All right. Okay. Okay. See? Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. Y'all about to go off camera and do these baby hairs because it's going to take me a while to get them right. I'm about to put some of these on them. Should I put it around here? Like this? No. Y'all, so this is the finished look. This is my first time doing a braided wig. I was scared, but I think I look cute. I mean, I gotta get better with, like, you know, making baby hairs look more natural. But this is my first time. I think I did good, period. But anyway, y'all, this wig is from Love Me Hair. I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can go buy it if y'all want to. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And yeah, cue the slow-mo.